So hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys are doing great. And Blender 4.1 just dropped, and let me tell you, it's a game changer. We are taking some serious cool feature that will make your 3D life way easier. Forget the chunky workflow, buckle up for the top 5 hack you got and check out. Hack number 1. Bake it till you make it. Imagine you wanna build a whole forest, but your computer cries when you add too many trees. Blender 4.1 let you bake those tree shapes into like a super efficient version. Basically, your scenes render lighting fast, no more staring at the progress bar for the ages. Hack number 2. Smoothing like a boss. Smoothing object used to be a bit guessing game, right? All those weird bumps and stuff, Blender 4.1 give you a way more control so you can smooth things out exactly how you want. It's like a magic for those pixie imperfections. Hack number 3. See it before it render. Ever spend hours or tweaking colors and effects only to realize it doesn't look quite right at the final render? Blender 4.1 says hasta la vista to that struggle. It shows you exactly how your final render will look in real time, saving you tons of time and frustrations. Hack number 4. HighFi other softwares. Working with other 3D artists just got a HighFi. Blender 4.1 can share those awesome character rigs and animation you made, which other programs no more weird conversion headache, just pure teamwork magic. Hack number 5. The overall upgrade. Blender 4.1 isn't just about a few fancy features, it's whole vibe upgrade. We are taking fast node editor, sharpen image and just a smooth workflow all around. It's basically like your favorite comfy sweater for your 3D world. At the end, I just want to tell you guys, those are top 5 hacks. So which one you are itching to try first? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more epic Blender content that will keep your 3D game strong. So bye bye, take care and stay home guys, and love you all.